Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by always. Thank you for your support. God bless you. Today I share with you how to make a beaded lock or how to fix a bead lock on a beaded bag. I think that is clear enough. How to make a beaded lock on a beaded bag. This is how it is looking like. I recommend you watch to the end so you don't miss any part of it. So let's get started.
So guys, we are going to fix the lock now. All right, so this is where my cover is getting to. So at this point is where I'm going to fix the lock. So we have to count to get the middle point. Okay, so we have a 15 count for this. So we are going to look for the middle point of this. Okay, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Also the other side, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is our middle point. All right, this is our middle point. Okay, so that's where we are going to fix the lock. All right, so I'm going to count down 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is where I am fixing the lock. Okay, so now I'm going to pass my thread right in there. So in my right hand line, I'm going to insert 3 beads and cross my left hand line into it like so and pull it. All right, make sure you have equal length right there. Okay, so once that is done, I'm going to pass my left hand line, this right here, into the next bead. So this is what we have. Okay, so this left hand line is going into this next bead right here. So that's what we have. Okay, so in my right hand line, I'm going to insert 2 beads, cross with the left hand line and pull. Okay, so this is how it is looking like. So at this point, my left hand line is going into the next bead right here. Okay, I'm going to insert 2 beads into my right hand line and cross with the left hand line just like so, and I'm going to pull it. So this is what we have. Okay, this is what we have. So at this point we have one more to cover it up. My left hand line is going through this middle bead right here and this one also. All right, this bead and also this bead, the side one like so. Okay, so now we are going to cross with just 1 bead. Okay, so I insert 1 bead in any of the line. All right, and cross. So this is what we have. This is what we have. Okay, so I'm just going to repeat the same process one more time. All right, so in my right hand line, I'm going to insert 3 beads and cross the left hand into it like so and pull, and my left line is going into the next bead right here, and I'm going to insert 2 beads into the right hand line, cross with the left hand line, pull it. You see that? And also I'm still going to repeat the same process. Insert my left hand line into the next bead, 2 bead into the right hand line, and cross the left hand line bead like so and pull. So this left hand line right here is going into the middle bead right here, and this one at the side. Okay, right here, and also this one right here, the side one. And I'm going to insert one more bead in any of the line and cross. So this is what we've got. At this point, I'm just going to walk through the beads to make it firm and then knot it. Okay, and I'm going to knot. After knotting, I'm going to walk my line through some of the beads to secure and then cut it out. Okay, so this is what we have. So at this point now, this is it. So I'm going to pass the other, I'm going to use the multicolor bead for this. Okay, so I cut another new fire line, and I'm going to count 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, so I'm working through this bead right here. So in that bead, I'm going to insert the colored beads, both line inside the colored bead, like so. So I have 2 4 6 8. I have 8 counts, so 8 counts, all right, fit in for this. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to divide this line into 2 like this, and I'm going to cross it in this bead right here. We have 13 counts, all right, 6 right here and 6 top here. We are going to leave this middle bead, all right. So I divide the line into 2, and I'm going to cross it. Okay, I'm going to cross it in this one bead like so, and the next one, the next bead also is going in, like we are crossing both line in one bead. Okay, so this is it. I cross it in this one bead, and this is what we have. So now what I'm going to do now is to walk this line through some beads until they meet at a particular point, and I'm going to knot. They are both meeting at this point, and I'm going to knot it properly to make it firm or to secure it. Okay, see how beautiful it is. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to walk this line through some beads just to secure it, and I'll cut it out. All right, so guys, we are done fixing the lock. See how beautiful it is. Thank you all for watching my video from the beginning to this very point. I appreciate your support. God bless you, and I will so much appreciate your thumbs up and your comments. All right, and to my returning subscribers, you are highly loved. If you're finding my video for the first time, you are highly welcome. Kindly hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. God bless you all. Stay cool until I see you all in my next video. Bye.